Good evening. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for April 10th to the 24th, for April 10th to the 14th. We're still expecting amplified flow for part of this period. You can see we have a ridge here that builds into the west, trough in the east. This ridge of force will take over, and this will force the trough in the west, ridge in the east. Now we go here through the period, and you see that the flow starts changing now as this ridge starts building, and this will bring a change in our weather pattern. Energy moving into the west result in a trough in the west and above normal heights across the high latitudes and in the east. Okay, looking at the surface. This flow will cause active weather across the nation. Expect rain and mountain snows for the west. You see here, we have a system moving here. Now, again, like I said yesterday, this is a time where sometimes this is when they get their heaviest snow across the Rockies and the plains. So this system works eastward here, and then it moves into the plains. Let me back up a little bit. Which one did I like? I think this was it. And then we'll have rain and storms across the lower Mississippi Valley into the plains, snow on the backside here. And then as the system moves eastward, this will bring more rain to the east later in the next period. Now, we're going to look now at the period for April 15th to 19th. Sorry, it's a little short. I had a little problems here and everything, but it's working out. That's why it's so late. Look at the period for April 15th to the 19th. Now you see the pattern setting up here. This ridge builds across the East Pacific and Alaska, resulting in a ridge in the west, trough in the east. Go to the end of the period, see this. So the models are pretty good agreement for the most part. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to maybe be greater than 8 degrees below normal, again across the northern Rockies and the northern plains. Above normal precipitation forecast here, with anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for most of the west, and the probability of occurrence 35 to 40%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast here, and the probability of occurrence is near 35%. Looking ahead to the next period, this will be for April 20th to 24th. Now we start seeing a return to above normal heights here across the high latitudes of the North Atlantic. This results in a trough here in the east. It'll cover the east central states, and we have a ridge here building it over the East Pacific and building into the west as a result of this upper low or trough developing here over the Aleutians. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be near 6 degrees above normal, highest anomalies here. Below normal temperatures are forecast from the plains to the Atlantic coast, and forecasting anomalies to be about 2 to 6 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for a little change in the precipitation anomalies from the previous period due to conflicting signals I'm getting from the models. But for now, I'm going to keep it the same. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 10th to 24th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.